everyone, welcome to 3D's Learners. In the series of English learning, today we are going to discuss about determiners and its uses. टॉपिक स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन प्रेस करना ना भूलें। अगर आपने पिछला वीडियो लाइव सेशन नहीं देखा है तो ऊपर दिए गए आई बटन पर क्लिक करें। Let us begin. Determiners, words which are not influenced by morphemes and there is a noun after them are generally called determiners. जो शब्द किसी प्रीफिक्स या सफिक्स से इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं होते हैं और उनके बाद एक नाउन आता है उसे हम लोग डिटरमाइनर्स कहते हैं। As example, every boy has a pen. In this sentence, every and a determiners है, इसके बाद नाउन बॉय और पेन का प्रयोग हुआ है। दिस कैट इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। इन दिस सेंटेंस दिस इज डिटरमाइनर। माई ब्रदर इज अ टीचर। इन दिस सेंटेंस माई और ए डिटरमाइनर्स है। देयर मे बी a qualifying word between a determiner and a noun. किसी determiner और noun के बीच में कोई qualifying word आ सकता है। As example, I have a red pen. In this sentence, red qualifying word है which comes between a and pen. She was a very beautiful girl. In this sentence, very beautiful qualifying word है। Therefore, we can say determiners show the arrival of a noun. इसलिए हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि determiners noun के arrival का सूचक होता है। We cannot use a determiner without a noun. हम लोग बिना किसी noun के determiners का प्रयोग नहीं कर सकते हैं। As example, we have some. We cannot say we have some. हमको कहना पड़ेगा we have some pens. Anything like that. This is my. We cannot say this is my. This is my house कह सकते हैं। The above group of words are incomplete sentences. They require a noun after some and my to make it complete. These are some determiners. Articles a and the. Possessive adjective my, our, your, his, her, their, its. Demonstrative adjective this, that, these, those. Adjective of number and quantity 1, 2, first, second, double, twice, one third, all, many, next, a little, both, half, several, much, some, most, less, last, etc. Distributive adjective each, every, either, neither. Interrogative adjective what, whose, which. Some phrases denoting quantity and number: plenty of, a large number of, a great deal of, a lot of, a large amount of, a good deal of. These are some phrases which denotes quantity and number and does the work of a determiner. As example, the cow is an animal. In this sentence, the और and determiners है। Every boy has a pen. In this sentence, every and a determiner है। What work will you do? In this sentence, what determiner है। I need some apples. In this sentence, some determiner है। There were a large number of students. In this sentence, a large number of determiners है। We must remember there must be a noun after determiners. Otherwise, it is used as different parts of speech in the sentence. हमें ध्यान रखना है कि जब भी कोई डिटरमाइनर आएगा उसके बाद नाउन आना आवश्यक है, अन्यथा वह किसी दूसरे पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच की तरह काम करता है। Let us see the example. This is my pen. In this sentence, this demonstrative pronoun है, but this pen is mine. In this sentence, this is determiner. Those are your books. In this sentence, those pronoun है, those books are yours. In this sentence, those determiners है। Some are gentle. In this sentence, some pronoun है। Some cows are gentle. In this sentence, some determiners है। Either of the way is safe. In this sentence, either pronoun है। either way is safe. In this sentence either determiner है. Which is yours, which pronoun है, which house is yours, which determiner. The following words can be used as other parts of speech as well. This, that, these, those, some, all, most, many, more, several, enough, either, neither, what, which, whose. इन सभी शब्द का यूज हम लोग एज अ डिटरमाइनर और प्रोनाउन भी कर सकते हैं. Generally, the following nouns are used after the determiners. Uncountable nouns like water, milk, gold, etc. Singular countable nouns like pen, box, car, etc. Plural countable nouns, pens, boxes, cars, etc. The, my, your, his, her, its, our, etc. are used with any types of nouns, with uncountable noun, with singular countable noun, with plural countable nouns. This, that can be used only with uncountable noun and singular countable nouns. A and each, every, either, neither, one, another can be used only with singular countable nouns. Much, little, a little, a good deal of, a great deal of can be used only with uncountable nouns. Some, more, most, all the, a lot of, lots of, etc. can be used with uncountable nouns and plural countable nouns. These, those, many, few, a few, several, two, three, etc. can be used only with plural countable nouns. There are three categories of determiners. First, predeterminer. Second, central determiner. Third, post determiner. Now we can see predeterminers: all, both, half, double, twice, etc. 1/3, 2/4, etc. What, such, etc. Central determiner: a and the, this, that, these, those, my, our, his, her, your, their, its, what, which, whose, some, any, every, each, either, neither, enough, much. Post determiners: 1, 2, 3, etc. First, second, third, etc. Next, last, other, etc. Many, few, little, several, more, etc. जब भी हम एक साथ दो या दो से ज़्यादा डिटरमाइनर्स यूज़ करते हैं, उस वक्त ये ध्यान रखना पड़ता है कि जब भी पहले यूज़ करेंगे, पहले प्री डिटरमाइनर आएगा, उसके बाद सेंटर डिटरमाइनर आएगा, उसके बाद पोस्ट डिटरमाइनर आएगा. एज एग्जाम्पल, ऑल द बॉयज वेयर प्रेजेंट. इन दिस सेंटेंस ऑल द डिटरमाइनर्स है. ऑल इज द प्री डिटरमाइनर and the is the central determiner. So प्री, सेंट्रल और पोस्ट को यूज करने की कैटेगरी हमेशा प्री को पहले रखेंगे, सेंट्रल को उसके बाद, एंड आफ्टर दैट पोस्ट डिटरमाइनर्स. सो गाइस, आज हम लोगों ने डिटरमाइनर्स एंड इट्स यूजेस डिस्कस किया. अगर आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया, लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें. फॉर न्यू वीडियोस notifications, press the bell icon. Till then, bye bye.